Hi there, good morning. You have tuned into Market Cafe right here on ET Now. I'm Shrishti Sharma and with me is my colleague Ankita. And viewers, we are here with you for the next 1 hour where we're going to be telling you all the big global stories that we are tracking at this point in time. Let's tell you also the stocks that you should be watching out for in today's trading session and lots more lined up. So stay tuned. But firstly, let's start with how the global handover and especially the US market is looking like at this point in time. So just yesterday, we have seen a very good rebound happening within the US markets for all the three benchmark indices, wherein look at the move in Dow Jones that actually climbed almost 0.3%. It was the S&P 500 that jumped almost 0.6%, but Nasdaq, the IT pack, was seen to be rebounding quite sharply after the recent sell-off that we have seen, and 0.8% gain is what we have seen on Nasdaq. And select counters like Nvidia and Meta, they were seen to be surging. Nvidia specifically surged almost 1.6% after Meta announced plans to use its AI chips in the data centers, boosting the market sentiment. And along with that, the sentiment along the whole tech and the software space was actually quite positive. So yes, of course, we have seen good moves on the Wall Street, a good rebound that we have seen, and that's kind of an handover that we are getting to see right this point in time when it comes to the US markets. But when it comes to the commodity world, very, very interesting moves out there because yes, of course, it was the Brent oil that actually took all the charm, and yes, it has surged almost 4% in trade just yesterday. Even the gold and the silver prices were seen to be rebounding. And definitely, there are reports of a potential conflict between the US and the Iran, and along with that, the peace talks between Russia and Ukraine, they collapsed in just 2 hours. And with respect to all that can happen with Strait of Hormuz specifically, it was the oil that was seen to be jumping almost 4%. As of now, Brent crude is hovering around that $70 per barrel mark. That is one big trigger. But along with that, the other big move that we have seen was on the commodity prices. Gold once again was seen to be surpassing that 5,000 per ounce mark on an intraday basis just yesterday. As of now, is trading very close to those levels. Even silver that jumped almost 5 to 6% overnight, and as of now as well, when we look at the silver prices, is trading at $76.7 per ounce mark. So the safe haven demand is once again seen to be getting back. And with respect to the Strait of Hormuz shutting and what really is happening between US as well as Iran is something that the markets are keenly watching out for, and a reaction to that is clearly seen on the oil prices. So that's about what we have seen